Hello, ladies and gents. So, more leaves outside, and nope, that's not gonna be a pickup video because we went through the shop and Eva spotted and just tell me, take a look. I take a look and straight away I said, I want that one. Look at this little bugger. Nice small size electric smoker. Awesome. So let's take this bugger inside, open it up and take a closer look, shall we? Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's see. Boom, ladies and gents, that's the beauty in its shape. So, what do we got? Nice, even with the glass at the front, that's really awesome. So, lock, and yips, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 trays to set up the meat on, or probably I will already thinking about to modifying it, but maybe not necessarily. Maybe I can use some kind of hooks or to hang the sausage inside. But oh well, all good. We got like heating element covered with this awesome thingy, plate of shred basically. So all the fat what's gonna drip off the meat and juices gonna end up in this little container. As well, I can fill it up with the water, so it will be vaporized as smoker running and all that stuff, and keep the meat juicy. There's our container for the wood chips, and they say this little bugger supposed to last up to 8 hours of smoke. So I wonder. Anyway, we will see. Oh, good, I spot that one. Holy crap, that will get nasty when I begin to warm it up. Okay, there is one output, second output for the smoke. Yeah, that was really awesome. I spotted. Anyway, so far Oh wait. Oh, there's the pluggy for the sound in there. Is it pluggy? Oh yeah, it is pluggy. Okay, go back in. Okay, it is in. So there is a sound. I believe there's the second sound right there. This little thingy. Anyway, first of all, before use, holy crap, that will make a big mess. I got to heat it up or cook it off, whatever, get rid of all the debris from the manufacturing, all the oils and all that stuff. So they say I got to keep it at the max temp for the 2-hour time. So there's my trusty power line. So let's see what's gonna happen when we give it to the power. There you go. Oh, it's alive. Power 93. No, they say go to max temp all the way up to 135. They said it can go. Is it? Oh. No, that was preheat. 135 temp, and then time, they say 2 hours, and then C 2 hours. Okay, that's it. Is it warming up? I don't know. Also, we got the light. Oh. What a light. Okay, now it makes sense. Now it gives some light. Okay, it's getting warm. Oh yeah, it's getting warm. Awesome. So let's leave this bugger for 2 hours, like so. And yeah, we come back to it after that, and that will be ready to use. So I got a feeling very soon I'm gonna visit the butcher house or butcher shop, get some meat and smoke something. Holy crap, holy, that's awesome. Tiny one, that's what I liked. I'm looking for the small one for quite a while. I'm looking even for smaller than that, but this one is cool. As far Eva said, look at that. I look at it and say, I want that one. Oh, there's also some, I forget, there's also something here. What's that? Tiny draws. Draw, but for what? I don't know. Oh well, it's under the... Holy crap, I see more flamingo. Crap, come on out. Oh, that was close. There's some peas. No, that's not flamingo, okay. Anything else? Nope. Some ventilation holes. Okay. Nice and warm, no more flamingo. Oh, there's one more temp sensor, like in microwave. Okay. I think we're good to go. So, okay, I believe it is safe. Okay. Tiny bit as well. This little bugger can make as well a mess inside. Okie dokie, so I bet it's ready to leave it like so. And yep, see you soon. Boom. Okie dokie. So much more than 2 hours gone. This thingy was heated up for 2 hours with 135 degrees. So now let's go down to the 49 as it says, and yep, basically this bugger is ready to use. So I got to go to the butcher shop. Oh yeah. Anyway, yeah, it is warm here, but easy to touch by the exhaust or outgoing temps. Yeah, much more warm, quite hot. All others, yeah, can be touched. Oh, here's much warm. Front panel, easy to touch, no problem whatsoever. Glass, yeah. Oh yeah, that's hot. Glass is still hot. Anyway, so far so good. We still got 49 degrees inside. Let's just give it a little ventilation. Come on, open up. And oh wow, there's some. Oh, the door could open a little bit more, and as far I got my thingy standing not straight, so it's closing by itself. But yeah, everything is warm out. All the manufacturing kind of stuff or oils and all that thing is supposed to be gone by now. So all what I need to do, get some meat, load it in and smoke it, right? I'm looking forward to it. Okie dokie, so I'm really glad. I'm quite happy with that. So let's shut this thingy down, let it cool, and then grab some meat and have some fun with it. Right? That's what I'm looking for. Okie dokie, so far that was the first video with the mini smoker of Char-Broil. They're supposed to pay me for the commercial. Oh well, maybe one day. Anyway, so far so good. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and I bet I see you at another episode of smoking some meat in there. Oh yeah, I already seen that. I sing that in my head. That's gonna be good. Anyway, so far so good. Let's not go to the dreamland. And so, ladies and gents, thanks and see ya. Cheers.